about our Filipino women demanding. Since, umulan, wow! Congratulations at umulan na dyan. So, our topic today is about our Filipino women demanding. So, I asked the EI. Do you know, guys, there's a EI in the meta already. So, this is what the EI says. This is Alma. Colored. So, ito yung sinabi ni EI. Filipino women, like any other individual, are unique and diverse, and it's not accurate to make generalization about their behavior. Sabunan ako, kamita na akong naong. Ulitin ko, para hindi ko makitang mukha ko ba. Filipino women, like any other individuals, are unique and diverse, and it's not accurate to make generalizations about their behavior or characteristics. Each person has their own personality, values, and beliefs, shaped by their experiences, culture, and upbringing. That being Filipino women are known for their strong family values, resilience, and determination. They may have high expectations from their partners in terms of support, loyalty, and commitment, which can sometimes be misinterpreted as being demanding. It's essential to remember that every individual has their own communication style, and what may be perceived as demanding by one person may be seen as assertive or expressive by another. It's crucial to empathy, understanding, and open communication to avoid making assumptions and stereotypes. Naintindihan nyo ba yun, guys? Ang lakas ng ulan. Oh, okay. Okay lang si Stupid Chip. So, yun ang sinabi ni EI. Grabe naman si EI, no? EI is very matalino. Parang gogol din siya. So, yun sinabi niya na everybody, like, sinasabi ko na minsan yung iba, sinasabi nila na demanding, pero hindi naman, di ba? Kasi, every person is different. Grabe init talaga. Mag-yatot muna tayo, guys. Nasa school kasi ako, Stupid Chi. Ay, buti na lang at umulan na dyan sa Pinas. Kumusta ang love life natin, Stupid Chi? How is our loving life? Grabe, sobrang busy ko talaga today. Super busy, and then hindi ko na maanuhan. Baka galaga sa mga LS, guys. Ang ingay din dito. Boy, bawang is so masarap. Kaya lang parang napagod.